Let's draw an apple. Hello artist friends, welcome to a new video. This time we are going to draw a series of fruits. I love fruits. And today we are going to draw a delicious apple. My favorite fruit is the banana. And what is yours? Fruits are very healthy. They have a lot of fiber and vitamins, but they also have sugar, so we should not eat a lot of them. Very good! You're a great artist. Don't forget to subscribe and activate the bell so you don't miss any of these fantastic drawings. It's time to paint. It's my favorite part. Red. Brown. Green. Pink. Very good. You are doing a good job.